Do you write your task on sticky notes or on loose papers and then fail to complete them? Well, CalmSage has a solution for you, as I'll tell you how to write a bullet journal with minimum stationery and just a cup of coffee, so that you can have a look at your past and organize today and plan the future. Are you guys ready? So this is my bullet journal over here, and I have taken here 2 pens. You can keep 1 or maybe you can keep 2, but I'm gonna make my bullet journal very quickly because my office hours and my travel time are a little hectic. Also, I am a little bit of lazy person, so I don't want to give a lot of time to it. But yes, let's start with this. So on the first page, I have just written here index, where I'll be organizing everything in one manner. Suppose if like I am writing my index for April month, so this index will belong to just one April. Then if there is the next month coming up, I'll write here May. The next month here will be June, July. And on the next page to this, I'm writing here a motivational quote. You can also write a motivational quote maybe on the full page or maybe on the half page, or maybe you can stick an image of some celebrity, of someone whom you admire, maybe an astronaut, maybe someone else whom you really love, maybe a picture of your parents. It's absolutely up to you, right? This page is all yours in this journal. All right, now I'm gonna take how to go ahead. Now I'm gonna roll over the paper. Here I have written the numbers very specifically of the pages, like 1, 2 for the next pages. Also there will be numbering so that I can open up my index anytime and fill up. Now in the April page, I am just going to write okay. Now these are the number of days, and here it will be all right. These are the days and these are the dates. I hope you're getting it. Now here I have just written so that I can compile things in a different manner. How? I'll tell you later on. But on the first thing, I just want to tell you on the next page, what you have to write is that important things you want to do this April. So I'm just going to mark a checks box over here, and I'll write that what I want to do in this month, especially. So these are my major things that I want to do this April. Now I'll come on the next page again, and this is for individual day planning. Now if I talk about 1st April over here, I'm making a checkbox on 1st April. What I want to do on 1st April is especially yeah, alright. That's my task for 1st April. I can make similar tasks for 2nd April. I can make similar tasks for 3rd April, something like this. Alright. Now, if I complete any of the tasks, suppose if I have gone for a walk already, I'll just mark a tick over here. And suppose if calling Akshay is the most important task of my day, I'll put a star over here so that I'll know that this is the most important task I have to complete this day. Alright. So this is gonna give a lot of self-confidence within you that you have already finished your walk. Wow, isn't that great? Now, if supposedly I did 3 tasks and I couldn't meet Jay, and I may want to transfer it on the next day. So I may transfer it on the next day. If even I cannot complete the task over here, but I have completed all my other tasks, maybe I want to migrate this task to next month. So this will come at the end of the month, carryovers or migration. So I'll add here that I didn't meet Jay in the previous month, but I'll meet him this month. So these are the carryovers. There might be more carryovers that you might have left over here. You can add all these carryovers or migration tasks over here so that you can finish them in the next month or the coming May month. Okay, after telling you about the migration, let me come back to the same page again, and I'll tell you why I have given here so cute hearts. Just because this was one of the most amazing day That's why I've given here 4 hearts. If I would have like very great day, then I might have given another 1 heart over here. Suppose I was not so happy on 2nd of April, I might just want to give 2 hearts over here. So you know, this is helping as a mood tracker also over here. Though we have covered a mood tracker video separately on Calm Sage, you can also check it over there. But here also you can track your mood each day. After giving mood tracking symbols to these dates, I'm going back again over here, and now I have written here the best thing I did on 1st of April. I called Akshay and I have given a smiley over here because I'm pretty happy about it. For the 2nd day, maybe I could have met my best friend, and again I'm writing what is the best thing I've did over here, and again I'm very happy on this day. Now the similar way you can write the best things you've done on the same day and give yourself a nice smiley. Make sure you are actually giving a nice smiley over there. Okay, now I'm coming back to the index once again. So here on April, I'm just gonna write maybe from 1st page to 10th page. I have written all the things related to April, so I'm gonna mark over here. On the next page, maybe it could be May. For next, it could be June. So May will start from 11th or maybe 12th, because why I'm saying it's 11 or 12? Here I have given again a nice page for motivational quote like create your sunshine, again a space for pictures. This page is again yours, you can still decorate it the way you like. This is the 6th page over here. Now again, the next page I'll be starting something for May month. So something maybe say like this, or maybe I'll write here May. Maybe something like that, or you can keep it very simple also, and you can start numbering just the way we did for the month of April. Yes, exactly. This is how your bullet journal is gonna work in some of the pages, and I'm sure you're gonna keep yourself a little more organized from now on. Even on the page of index, you can also divide the page like this, so that you can use the page on both sides for June, July, August, September, October, and you can use the half of the page to cover the rest of the index. That's it. That's how easy a bullet journal is, and I hope you're gonna find yourself in a better position after that. And if you like the video, just comment in the section below. Moreover, follow us on calmsage.com, plus follow our Facebook page also, and we'll get back to you with another cool video very soon. Thank you.